lovely ladies, and welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Audri Loveberry. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, we are doing these black French tip short nails, and we are going to show you, well, I'm going to show you, I don't know who we is, but I'm going to show you how I get my nails to last for a long time. So most people use builder gel to help with their nails, but I don't have any builder gel. So we're going to do this step in my video to show you how you can keep your nails lasting up to 2 to 3 weeks with this step. So if you are interested on how I keep my nails lasting long, continue to watch. So if you're not new here, you know, I like to switch up my nails a lot. So I usually keep my nails on for a week and a half. But the girlies kept asking me, hey, how long do the nails last? How can you keep them to last long? So I decided, well, let's experiment. And this is how I found out to keep my nails lasting long and so it doesn't chip. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you all, and I hope this step will help you. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried it before. Thank you for watching. So the first step is to go ahead and put on your nails. I'm not worried about the over glue there because really you can use some acetone or your alcohol wipes, or if you just wash your hands very well, it will come off. So it does not hurt as long as it doesn't, you know, over gap your nails. It'll be fine. So yeah, the first step is put on the nails.
Me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee.
So like I said before, I'm showing y'all here, this is the acetone that I'm going to use to go ahead and clean up the glue around my nails.
Don't know how I got you sprung. The only one to leave now while no one's tried. The God of all my needs, oh why you got me falling in love. You got so happy I wanna try. You got me falling in love. So glad you gon' wanna try. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all that I'll do for you. Want you to know that I'm all that with you. I'll do for you. Want you to know I'm all that I'll do. What you want me to show you that I'm all that. I know that I can't do this my own. No. I know that it's higher than my own soul. I know that your love surpasses everything. I know, yeah. I know, yeah. I know that I can't do this my own. No. I know that it's higher than my own soul. I know that your love surpasses all things.
So what we are going to use is base coat. We're going to use base coat to help keep our nails from chipping, protect them, and keep them lasting longer. So I went ahead and looked up the definition. I googled it, of course. So one thing it says, it helps prevent any staining that might occur. So when you use base coat first when you're going to paint your nails. So also it says to protect your nail polish from chipping and damage while keeping it looking glossy. It also says you can strengthen your fingernails, but we're adding it to press on nails. So but yeah, provide a smooth and even surface for colored polish to adhere to, enhancing the longevity of your manicure. So this is also what your base coat is for. So why not let it do longevity for your press-on nails, right? Because technically that is supposed to be your polished color. So what we're going to do is we're going to base coat all of the nails, go ahead and cure them. So this time I am going to I will use an alcohol wipe to wipe it off, but I think next time I'm going to try it without it. Someone try it without wiping off, because usually you'll wipe off with an alcohol wipe the base coat, but someone try it without it and let me know how it does as well, because I want to try it that way too. But yes, using base coat instead of using builder gel, if you don't have it, also keeps your nails looking nice. Just make sure you have an even coat on your nail all the way around, adhering your edges, adhering the actual colored part to make sure it doesn't chip.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him.
Alright, so now that we have that all cured, you see how it looks nice and glossy, and it has a coat over it to protect it already. So here's where I'm going to take the alcohol wipe and take off that tacky part. But this is where I'm like, maybe I should keep the tacky part and just put the top coat on, since there's not any other polish going to be on there. But I didn't. I went ahead and wiped it off. But you still see that there's a coat on there because it's shiny now. So now I'm going to add my no wipe top coat to it. So this is basically giving it a double protection. You see, double protection so your nails last longer.
Walking all alone on this weary road, heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Through him, with him, in him, I found my way out. Through him, and in him, I found my way out, way out. I found my way out. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road, heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong.
Alrighty, now that we have that cured, you see the double protection looks nice and glossy, and it's definitely going to give you the longevity of your nails. And I hope you try this out, and I hope that it lasts long for you. We're gonna go ahead and do the next set off camera, and I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks. I really love how shiny the nails look. I'm taking pictures right now, y'all.
Walking all alone on this weary road, heavy burdens on my shoulders.
All right, so there we have it. These are going to be our beautiful short black French tip. I have done these before, but again, I wanted to show y'all the steps that I took to make sure that they're going to be lasting very long. And yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if you tried using base coat on your French tip nails to get them to last longer. And I'll see you in the next lovely video. Bye.